A very good evening, sir. My name is Amvarshasri and my roll number is 234G1A33I1. I'm studying in second BTech first semester in CSM branch, and today I'm here to give a PowerPoint presentation on the topic the quicksort algorithm along with examples on the subject advanced data structures and algorithm analysis, and the subject code is 23CSC303. The quicksort algorithm. The sorting is a way of arranging items in a systematic manner. The quicksort is a widely used sorting algorithm that makes n log-n comparisons in average case for sorting an array of n elements. It is faster and highly efficient sorting algorithm. This algorithm follows the divide and conquer approach. The divide and conquer is a technique of breaking down the algorithms into the subproblems, then solving the subproblems and combining the results back together solve the original problem. The terminologies of the quicksort. The divide. In divide, first pick a pivot element and after that the partition or they rearrange the array into the two subarrays. The such that the each element in the left subarray is less than or equal to the pivot element. The each element in the right subarray is larger than the pivot element. This is how the divide term works as. And the conquer. Recursively sort two subarrays with a quicksort. And then the combine. Combine the already sorted array. The quicksort picks an element as pivot and then it partitions the given array around the picked pivot element. In quicksort, a large array is divided into the two arrays in which one holds the value that are smaller than the specified value, which is nothing but the pivot, and other array holds the values that are greater than the pivot. After that, the left and the right subarrays are also partitioned using the same approach. It will continue until the single element remains in the subarray. The choosing the pivot. Picking a good pivot is necessary for the faster implementation of the quicksort. However, it is typical to determine a good pivot. Some of the ways of choosing a pivot are as follows. The pivot can be random, that is, select the random pivot from the given array, and the pivot element selection is depends on the person. The pivot can either be the rightmost element of the leftmost element of the given array. They select the median as the pivot element, and the algorithm is as follows. The quicksort of array A, comma start and end. If start is less than the end, then the P is equals to partition of A, comma start, comma end, and the quicksort of A, comma start, comma P minus 1. Next, the quicksort of A, comma P plus 1, comma n. This is how the algorithm works. The working of quicksort algorithm. Now, let's see the working of the quicksort algorithm. To understand the working of the quicksort, let's take an unsorted array. It will make the concept more clear and be understandable. Let the elements of the array are 24, 9, 29, 14, 19, and 27. And to perform the quicksort, here is the algorithm how it goes. The partition of array A, comma start, comma end. If the pivot is there, then A of n takes place. And for J, it will start from the end as the minus 1. And the do while occurs, and whereas the A of J is less than the pivot, then I increments as 1. Then the A of J and A of A swaps. Whereas the next step continues as the swap of A of I plus 1, whereas it ends with the A and returns the I increment. In the given array, we consider the leftmost element as pivot. So, in this case, A of left is equals to 24, whereas the A of right is equals to 27 and the A of pivot element is 24. Since pivot is at the left, so algorithm starts from right and move towards the left. Now A of pivot is less than the A of right. So the algorithm moves forward one position towards the left. This is how the diagram and it moved. Now A of left, that is the 24, and the A of right is equals to 19, and A of pivot is equals to 24. Because A of pivot is greater than the A of right, so the algorithm swaps A of pivot element with the A of right, and the pivot moves to the right. Now A of left is equals to 19 and A of right is equals to 24, and A of pivot element is equals to 24. Since the pivot is at the right, so the algorithm starts from the left and moves to right. This is how the algorithm starts, and it starts from the left and it moves towards the right. As A of pivot is greater than the A of left, so the algorithm moves one position to the right A. As the pivot element is greater than the left value, so the algorithm moves one step forward position. Now A of left value is equals to 9, A of right equals to 24, and A of pivot equals to 24. As A of pivot is greater than A of left, so algorithm moves the one position to right as A of pivot element is greater than the A of left, so it moves a bit forward to the right. Now A of left is equals to 29, A of right equals to 24, and A of pivot equals to 24. As A of pivot element is less than the A of left, so swap A of pivot and A of left. Now pivot is at the left. Since pivot is at left, so algorithm starts from the right and move to the left. Now A of left is equals to 24, A of right is equals to 29, and A of pivot is equals to 24. As a pivot, A of pivot is less than the A of right, so algorithm moves the one position towards the left. Now A of pivot equals to 24, A of left equals to 24, A of right equals to 14. As the A of pivot is greater than the A of right, so swap A of pivot and A of right. Now the pivot is at the right. Now the A of pivot is equals to 24, A of left equals to 14, and the A of right equals to 24. Pivot is at the right, so the algorithm starts from the left and moves to the right. Now A of pivot equals to 24, A of left equals to 24, and A of right equals to 24. So pivot, the left and the right are pointing the same element. It represents the termination of the procedure. Element 24, which is the pivot element, is placed at its exact position. Elements that are right side of the element 24 are greater than that, and the elements that are left side of the element 24 are smaller than that. Here we can see the pivot element 24, the right side of it are greater than 24 and the left side of it are less than 24. Here it is as the sub left array and it is the sub right array. Now in similar manner, quicksort algorithm is separately applied to the left subarray and also for the right subarray. After sorting gets done, the array will be looks like 9, 14, 19, 24, 27 and 29. This is how the given algorithm is completely sorted. The quicksort algorithm is one of the best algorithm for the sorting techniques. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to give the PowerPoint presentation on quicksort algorithm.